So, nakalagay dito, purchase of goods or properties or services and importation of goods by a corporation organized and operated as a Section 30 corporation shall be subject to the 12% value-added tax pursuant to Section 107 of the National Internal Revenue Code of 1997 as
Ayan.
amended.
As highlighted, hindi porket non-stock non-profit ka, wala ka ng VAT.
Yes.
You need to pay pa rin yung VAT because the VAT is the tax of the seller. It's not your tax. No? Kaya kapag ikaw ang bumibili, kailangan mong bayaran yung VAT nila kasi para nagkakalituhan eh. Ano ako non-stock non-profit, ba't ako magbabayad ng VAT? No. It's the VAT of the seller. And as purchaser, you are required to pay it. And what will happen with your VAT? Dahil hindi ka registered, expense out.